Leaking water pumps in commercial buildings. Hello everyone, today I want to talk about a common problem that many commercial buildings face: leaking water pumps. Leaking water pumps can be a major concern for businesses, especially those in high-rise buildings. It not only causes damage to property, but also poses a serious risk to the safety of both employees and visitors. The good news is that fixing a leaking water pump is not as complicated as it may seem. In most cases, the problem can be easily resolved by identifying and repairing the underlying cause. One common cause of water pump leaks is a damaged seal. This can happen when the seal becomes worn or damaged over time due to heavy usage or poor maintenance. In such cases, simply replacing the seal can fix the problem. Another potential cause of water pump leaks is a blocked drain. If the drain in the pump is clogged, water will not be able to flow out, leading to leaks. To fix this, you may need to unclog the drain or replace the pump altogether. It is important to address water pump leaks as soon as possible to prevent further damage and costly repairs. Always prioritize safety and work with the professional plumber to ensure that the problem is resolved correctly and safely. In conclusion, leaking water pumps can be a frustrating and costly issue for commercial buildings. By identifying the underlying cause and taking action to resolve the problem, businesses can protect their property and staff from the risks associated with water leaks. Thank you for listening.